Good morning, everyone. I am Pooja from Perfect Logic Private Limited. In today's session, I am going to explain about how to fill the details of Elite member. For this, we have to go to Masters, in Master Member, then click on Elite Members. These are the some of the Elite members information filled previously. For creating new Elite member, click on plus sign. In Elite member name, enter the member name of that elite member. Enter the elite member name. Then enter the age. Select the gender. Contact number. Enter contact number. That elite member's membership ID. Then in this section is a we have to enter the relation of that elite member with the occupant. We have to select this elite member is a member or tenant. This is a member. Then select member. In relation, select the relation of this elite member with the occupant. Like son, mother, father, or daughter. Enter that relation in this relation. Next one is email ID. Enter email ID of that elite member. Enter the Aadhaar number. In here, member of, you have to enter the this elite member taking which membership, like gym, clubhouse, or swimming. These two are already created for another elite member. So if you have new membership, you can enter the name of that here. Like this elite member taking a gym membership. Here enter the membership date, expiry date. This expiry date is not compulsory. If you don't want to fill this information, you can keep it blank. After this member occupant name, you have to select the occupant from this. You have to click on this arrow. Select occupant for which this elite membership is applying. For this A002, select that member. In receipt date, you have to enter the receipt date on which that member have deposited the amount. Enter that date. Enter the amount here. Receipt number remark. This is not compulsory. You can enter here receipt number. If you want to enter any remark, you can add remark here. Now click on save. Now this information of elite member we have saved. Now if you want to print the sticker, click on print sticker. If you want to print the sticker of all elite members, then click on yes. Then all elite member sticker will printed. Here you can see all the details of that elite member are printed on this sticker. If you want to print only one sticker of this member, this elite member Shubham, then click on print sticker and click on no. In this case, only that member's sticker will get printed. If you want to print all details of all the elite member, then click on this print. Click on yes. If you want to print all the details of all elite member, here we can see we will get all the details of all members. If you want to print details of only that particular member, then click on no. Now here we can see only that member's detail get printed here. In this way, we can fill the details of elite member. Thank you everyone for joining this session.